Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another amazing video. I want to show you one update that Google have provided. See, here is the update. Google have provided that you can create music using me. So let's create any music. So I have a prompt which I will share in description. Go and check it out. I have already sent. See, here is the prompt. Just let me copy and paste here. See, test. I have to click here create music. Okay. Then now then it will create a 90-second Latin pop track with French house production. Tempo 1112 BPM. Funky filter. Disco guitar. Everything I have mentioned with female vocalist. What you need? It is analyzing and it is creating. How amazing this Gemini is. Many options are available. You can create image, it was there. Canvas also. You can research. You can create video. One more thing. It is only available for paid version. Okay. So it is analyzing. Let's check how much time it is taking. So did you see how I have written the prompt? It is full detail I have provided what I needed. It is totally defining how much time is taking. So I want to say you, if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe, and for more amazing updates about AI and how to make money from AI without any coding. Do you want to see? See, I have already created many videos so which you can create. So here is my channel. Let's see. I created. See, only single prompt you can create full AI video. Means 50K AI website just with single prompt. Again, nothing. Here also full AI voice agent with one prompt. You can create. So I have created. Go and check it out. Let's check our song is ready or not. Yes, it already created. Let's listen it. What happened? Day Fugo. But let me check it. It came. Let's listen. Download then release is that okay. Download audio with cover. Okay. Let's check. Downloading. Something went wrong. I'm thinking there's some network issue. But see how it is working. It already created. And to listen the music. Let me listen it. Where I was? So here I'm seeing. Complete breakdown how you can create any website, free website from single prompt, in AI agent from single prompt, any website you can create. See, I'm clicking downloader. Let me check it. Where is it? Yes, it is downloaded. Let's listen it. 14 MB. Sound is not coming. Maybe thinking so I have to remove the mic. Yeah, how beautifully created. Can you imagine? I have created this song using AI without any prompt. Just a single prompt for making it created. So how it is? Is amazing or not? How beautifully created. The product created by Gemini creates such type of images or music just using Gemini. So for today this much, and don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a beautiful comment. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.